Kobe bi a February de say ensamudo aba da wakata Adom no yede ebeto asabam na yakọ ye online stories ni akọ akọhwe ensam so a wona fe no adwene ya aha eye Badwam yede nkrahesem akọ akogu Badwam kase so akọ akogu tini edu so da wakata emu ensam ya abane anopam gidi so bia eho ye yera se waje breso na wo hwe ye live so on Facebook Adom TV and afi Adom TV Extra. Oko YouTube nso a search for Adom TV. Podcast Adom TV. Ewi abetimi akwakotie ne nyina enso ye fa small da bokata mu and share asem. So daily graphic the other about say Baumia means business. On this manifesto focusing on jobs, businesses. Etenu manifesto MPP for power ehun entuma no. Say Dr. Baumia ni abre ese krodom say ampa oba ese benyeda na oba beda. Oba bebo adwuma aboase na be ya enwuma betimi abusu na enwuma so etimi etu emponem. College of Education must stay open. GTech but for the better just amafo e ka say acheche for ekira de College of Education ati etuenti yen to schools no say there be yen koso emie kopemsa acheche for no ebeba. At GJ 75th anniversary, speakers call for investment in AI infrastructure. Eti Ghana Central for Eko Enyemfinshia Ediosu enum 75 years. Benefo to am from says ade aba AI adesua. Enso ya ba fukun afa so esua de ne ebia. Si mpanifo emfes kadodo na nwuram na Central for nyehunumu ene ntia so sada se na be adwuma no. Ebekọ ententem ede ama so daily graphic the other ba na anopay eno. Daily Democrat. So the Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia Foni Abba. John Allan Kojo Chirawatin so de ewa Nana Kwame Bediako ensu ediene and afa Justin Kodua Frimpong ensu Foni ewa. As it say NPP conspiracy against Allan and Kwame Bediako exposed. Say NPP for botrim poboni bi de tia John Allan Kojo Chirawatin ene cheddar. Na da bokata ebo amane se o 7.5 say twat teze omoni ada ho so moni ada ho. Royal Ghana Gold Refinery is not Ghana's first major commercial gold refinery. Bryce Simmons eso na kan says the gold refinery pound man no e say anyina adwumako edi kan ya edi ka so ne so the gold so ewo yeman emu. Peace Watch CEO urges authorities to prosecute perpetrators of unlawful land sales in Kasua. Te amanfo enam kotikwa so ton ensaso Kasua no panim so that you say yenhwene mo mukwa do se da bia so mbe betimi abasa importable no. Daily Democrat and so enonom. The new finder. Government moves to make 16 SOEs efficient, profitable. Te aban to mo say aban mekuma ku dunsia ye manfa so etimi abaso. $1 billion World Bank support for Ghana. The World Bank for also Emma Ghana. America dollars no pay back 1 billion. CM fanyene fanchi sikemu ekena. Renegotiate existing mineral contracts to enhance Ghana's stake. IE4 ede and say apama ene won na etuf magudi o Ghana no. Yen kwone sa no mkoka sabiem se na bi o man be koso nya eso emfaso ebebre. The new finder the bokata and so no. The publisher Baumia on these 9 key initiatives to stimulate SMEs. Enti sebetimi abua ama bojua etimi akos Dr. Baumia edit mupo mako enkro ena to yakon oba otimo oba ofaso abua aba bojua afantuma pa edi efra ewo mai mu enso wo da bokata enim. Baumia is well equipped to modernize the economy. John Ajekum Kufuor. Eti former president so neka se on gidi ma pa Baumia se obetimi aboa adane Ghana yesika sem enso enim. Election 2024, Ghana would not ban or Sajafo Amotia of for the penny. As they say, one na eye ojabum say ejabeto Ghana no. Or say ejabiye nuwa ebeto o mine Ghana. Reverend Dr. Joyce IE urges Ghanaians to embrace ethical leadership. The Ghanaian publisher and so enonom. The Daily Searchlight. Sinking the economy, part 4 of how ECG lost 12 billion Ghana cedis under Napo's nose. They say abra Dr. Matthew Pukrempe energy minister no. Yisi judgmeko actually sika 12 billion. 12 billion. And it's yisi for actually. My vision is to tap into talent and resourcefulness of our people. Dr. Bawumia so dia also edia tuja enono. One died in Inconsia Real, 5 motorbikes bent into go see here. I won't consider sinipa ba kwa fuma hwere nkwa. Motors maku enum so yesi ahye nyina. FDA to appeal against Tobinco judgment. Eti Tobinco atemo na ebe si FDA mpedifo chemu a obonyo so. Obeko appeal ewo ho. After 10 years. Yeah, judgment na ba no so mubo enyo so. Thomas beko appeal enso ewo ho. Daily Satellite and the Inquisitor uncovered dirty agenda against Alan Cheddar disqualification plot get deeper. It is imkofobi ewo pose afia bato ekoso no. Omeya ma bato commission eyi Cheddar ene Alan Cheddar tindi enfiri se o makwa konpo no. Ebi asa apo ni nyina efiri bo mati etuom. So here the bucket mo de Jane Adukwe Mensa, chairperson of the Electoral Commission. Nana Kwame Bediako aka Cheddar na fe John Alan Kwaje Chrebatin sample for me and say nyina a pictures ewo ahadam. Child adoption rising in Ghana. 158 families apply in first half of 2024. Etebusua makumako ohan any aduonum enwotwe 158 and now call social welfare so person adopt enkwada ekoti to so mo akasa emba eti ohwe ye free January ebesi June yese busua 158 and ayesa application. We will not allow Yesi to stampede us into election 2024. The Dr. Adom Badwam o jinam diama endi sabekoso de keso on trust dama abato commission enyesi akwan enfamo nkunim dia opre ewo afi abato emu. Napo is ready to transform Ghana with his arrogance. Afanyoma kenso de ne se afanyoma kense se Napo emuade or the sanim omuade sunsum no ena be chechire Ghana ma Ghana ayeyin. National Health Insurance Authority releasing 151 million Ghana cedis to healthcare providers. So, more for money health insurance for years. So, more is 150 million Ghana cedis. So, money and far HH more akabi or more edu more. The Inquisitor Eddie Edenom. Republic Press. Bawumia promises bold solutions as NPP launches manifesto. Eti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no manifesto launch no. And so I ena working. I'm bitter. But NDC is dangerous. Kennedy akompreko e Japan so na ekezo se nyamye penny. Ne buafu pa. Na se eja omande ama NDC de ehu edema oman. Bawumia is custom made. John Ajekum before eso na eka say Republic Press. Eso de odeba ne anopay enonom. The custodian. Snit Prudence yields 230 million Ghana cedis profit. E is sleep for which money da won today say onyamfa so 230 million Ghana cedis. Bawumia launches bold solutions manifesto. Jobs, digital economy, support for businesses, low taxes dominate. Bawumia is man of the moment. John Ajekum Kufuor and so Eddie and the custodian. They also Eddie by and no daily analyst. But I know area near call online. Nana Opoku Ajman continues Greater Accra campaign to the TSC Professor Jena Opoku Ajman and so tuan and crying a pro bono so and day. Afenyo market sounds alarm on MPP's parliamentary chances. And TSC Afenyo market so Eddie Humbwa air to say and we have the parliamentary seat no. Now kuye and fama NPP amanyokum. NPP manifesto launch. We need a mindset of possibilities. Eti Dr. Bawumia so de no se nya adwene betimi akat ampa ebeye ye sa adwene bi na ye hwehwem. Bawumia is not corrupt. Napo ere say Bawumia won't be faketa se pro kan kan dream die endokron de biara da. The daily analyst edie and ye fe yenko Adom online.com yenko share e wonum so nsem a etwa edi egum. Adomonline.com first shot say man shoot man 25 dead after disagreement over fare. Eti ashentiade ebuo ehunti. Police ni bi abo abranti onye mfinhia adwenu enum tuo. Amanawu. Priest in viral video apologizes for singing Kim Paluta's Aseda in church. Enti Roman so for na oto Kim Paluta nwom no. the crata ababontin ababe pacho. Sasa so mpeni fo che se wo moni anye ade oye no. Omso mun kan che se mun on to nwum no but baby ogina ya wo to nwum no. Enni sinto no. Aso so mo anhwe ya. Ebe we chiwe na next obi to chatawale. I know my level. Atetem resident cry for chips compound to save pregnant women. I'm out for Atetem so mo hia chips compound. It say e ma painful bebre na edi emia. The abampen information enka wansem emfama wo mu. Farmers count their losses as dry spell jeopardizes crop yields. Enti ensuo to ewie ebom na eja na atiko no. Ehun susanso a enyamakwefo na kwefo enso ekam no. Sa afi de ka omo ebo enye ekaketua. Government rolls out knowledge and skills bank to transform education system. Yes, abanso nhye egwakwam eboase na bia nimde ne suahunu e oyememu nso no. Ebepeja ede akosre ebre no ekọ ti ba mefa o ensi na yekwen agudi mu nsem eba ababeto aso yewia ahosepe eho yebedi enkomo ene yedi nkomo de afa NPP manifesto no eho wo a onya daaje na wo hwe Adom TV na wotie from head to toe de na wotie mu de na office ebetimi aboa ma Ghana afa ne tumapa e de fra heva na office sinto e wo se kama mpenefo adwen eba so Bedeni akwesisia, yaba isiye.